In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your GitHub profile to let potential employers know that you're available for hire. This is a handy feature if you're actively seeking new job opportunities and want to make sure your profile reflects your current situation. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GitHub dashboard. Once you have the GitHub page open and you've logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. There, you should see your profile icon. It might be a picture or your initials, depending on how you've set up your account. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. From this list, you'll want to select the Settings option. This is where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub account, including your profile visibility and job-seeking status. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page filled with different categories and options related to your account. For this particular task, glance over to the left-hand side of the page where you'll see a menu with various sections of settings. Locate the Public Profile section. This is the area we need to access to update your job-seeking status. After you've entered the Public Profile section, scroll down the page until you see a subsection titled Jobs Profile. This area contains settings that specifically pertain to how your job availability is displayed to others on GitHub. Now, here's the crucial part. You'll want to find the option labeled Available for Hire. By default, this may not be checked if you haven't set it before. To enable potential employers to see that you're open to new job opportunities, simply check this box. By doing so, you're signaling that you're actively looking for work and open to discussions with those interested in your skills and experience. After you've checked Available for Hire, be sure to save your changes. At the bottom of the Jobs Profile section, you'll see a button labeled Save Jobs Profile. Click on this button to ensure your changes are applied. This action finalizes the update to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your GitHub profile to indicate that you're available for hire. This small change could significantly enhance your visibility and connect you with potential employers or collaborators aware of your current job-seeking status. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Thank you for